Well, I am Rana. The topic for our discussion today is aviation insurance in India. Aviation insurance in India. The aviation insurance provides coverage for hull losses as well as liability for passenger injuries, environmental and third party damages caused by aircraft accidents. In the world of aviation insurance, there are several different options available to customers depending upon their needs and wishes. Each type of insurance offers a very specific type of coverage, and it is important to understand the difference between each type. When it comes to the type of aviation insurance, there is in-flight insurance, ground risk hull, that is non-motion insurance, ground risk hull, that is motion insurance, public liability insurance, passenger liability insurance. So the Air India has just finished $20 billion insurance cover for its expanded fleet post Vistara merger at existing rates. While the sum insured has increased from $12 billion to $20 billion, the premium outgo will remain unchanged at around $30 million. So while globally aviation insurance premiums are expected to inch up following a spate of accidents in the past few months, Air India has managed to secure good rates. This is because of overall softness in aviation insurance market, depth negotiations, the airline's risk management practices, and absence of major claims. So the $20 billion insurance will cover against damage to aircraft from incidents, accidents of war. This over 300 plus planes belonging to Air India and Air India Express. So there is a separate cover for passengers and third party liabilities. Tata AIG is the lead insurer for Air India, taking a significant portion of risk. Indian public sector insurance firms and ICICI Lombard have a smaller share of sum insured. The entire risk has been underwritten by the London-based reinsurers. Tata AIG is proud insurance partner of Air India, who has demonstrated unwavering commitment to operational excellence and diligent risk and safety management. The insurers are generally inclined to respond positively to such clients with strong safety records and robust growth trajectories. For past couple of years, there has been overcapacity in aviation insurance market, with more reinsurers willing to underwrite risk. This led to intense competition and softer premium rates. Our recent accidents and the outcome of litigation between lessors and insurers over sized aircraft in Russia are expected to influence premiums this year. Insurance companies make a provision in their accounts of the claim amount. While it is easier to reserve a hull loss, claims related to passengers' liability are finalized after taking opinion from lawyers. So while there have been accidents in Norway, Azerbaijan, Canada and Korea, the fallout of American Airlines crash in the US is being watched by the sector. So insurers are closely monitoring the financial impact of liability claims arising from accidents, and their reactions will likely become more definitive as the scope of these claims becomes clearer. While insurers remains cautious in their approach to upcoming renewals, they anticipate any sudden or drastic shifts in the insurance market right away based on these incidents. So flying high in India's sky is exciting. Whether a small plane, a big airliner, or a business helicopter, our owning or operating an aircraft comes with risks. What if there is an accident, damage to the plane, or someone gets hurt? That is where aviation insurance steps in. So it's like a safety net for your aircraft and your business. But this special type of insurance help covers the costs of unexpected events, protecting you from huge financial losses. In India, with this growing aviation sector, understanding aviation insurance is important. This will give you a basic understanding of what it is, why you need it, and what it covers, ensuring your flights and business stay on course. So, aviation insurance is a specialized insurance policy designed to safeguard against financial losses arising from incidents involving an aircraft. It encompasses a variety of coverage options tailored to the specific needs of different aviation entities, including commercial airlines, protecting passengers and cargo liability, hull damage and third-party property damage, then private aircraft owners, providing coverage for hull damage, liability and medical expenses in case of accidents, and then airport operators, ensuring against liability for accidents, injuries and property damage occurring on airport premises, and manufacturing and maintenance companies, offering coverage against product liability and hangar risk. The Indian insurance market offers a comprehensive suite of coverage options to cater to diverse aviation needs. Here is a breakdown of the most common types. Hull and liability insurance. So this policy provides a coverage for physical damage to the aircraft, hull and legal liability arising from accidents causing injury or property damage to third parties. Then loss of license insurance. This insurance safeguards pilot against income loss if their license is suspended or revoked due to a covered event. Passengers legal liability insurance. This policy covers the airline's legal liability for passenger injury, death or baggage loss during air travel. An airport operator's liability insurance. This insurance protects airport operators from liability claims arising from accidents, injuries, or property damage occurring within the airport premises. Then aircraft war and peril insurance. This policy offers coverage against damage caused by war, terrorism, hijacking, or other specified perils. So by acquiring aviation insurance, you can reap the benefits of multiple features. This provides financial protection because aviation insurance safeguards your business from substantial financial losses in the event of an accident, grounding, or other unforeseen circumstances. Then enhanced safety measures because the knowledge of having insurance coverage can encourage stricter safety protocols and maintenance practices within your organization. Robust reinsurance coverage instills confidence in passengers, promoting your airline's safety commitment and attracting more customers. In India, several aviation regulations mandate certain types of aviation insurance for commercial airlines and airport operators. So this aviation sector in India is experiencing phenomenal growth. As the number of aircraft operating in India or Indian airspace increases, so does the need for robust risk management solutions. Aviation insurance plays a vital role in ensuring the smooth functioning of aviation industry. By mitigating financial losses. So in the unfortunate event of an accident, aviation insurance helps offset the substantial cost associated with aircraft repair or replacement. So this financial protection is crucial for aircraft owners and operators, safeguarding their investments and ensuring business continuity. Then providing liability coverage. Aviation accidents can have devastating consequences, causing injury or property damage to third parties. Aviation insurance offers liability coverage, shielding policyholders from the financial burden of such claims. And the availability of aviation insurance incentivizes aircraft owners and operators to prioritize safety measures. Knowing that they are financially protected, they are more likely to invest in proper maintenance, pilot training, and safety protocols. Challenges associated with aviation insurance in India. While immensely beneficial, obtaining aviation insurance in India can present certain challenges like high premiums. Aviation insurance premiums can be substantial, especially for older aircraft or those operating in high-risk zones. Now, limited availability. The availability of certain specialized aviation insurance coverage options might be restricted in the Indian market. Complexities in policy wordings. Aviation insurance policies can be intricate and laden with legal jargon necessitating careful review and professional guidance to ensure comprehensive coverage. Applying for aviation insurance online in India, the process of acquiring aviation insurance in India is becoming increasingly streamlined with the advent of online platforms. Here is the great outline of these steps involved. Gather aircraft and operational information. Compile details about your aircraft types, its operational history, and intended use. Then obtain quotes from multiple insurance providers to compare coverage options and premiums. You can seek guidance from a qualified aviation insurance broker who can navigate the complexities of policy selection and negotiations. Policy selection and negotiations. Once you have chosen an insurer meticulously, fill out the application form and submit any necessary documentation. Carefully review the proposed policy wordings to ensure it aligns with your coverage requirements. Upon approval, finalize the policy and make the initial premium payment. About cost of aviation insurance. The cost of aviation insurance varies based on factors like aircraft type, usage, and operational history. Generally, premium ranges from 0.1% to 1% of the aircraft insured value. Additional charges may include administrative fee, taxes, endorsement charges for policy modification. Here is an example of a fictional incident in an Indian industrial area involving aviation insurance. So, in the heart of Bangalore, bustling aerospace hub nestled amidst a cluster of hangars and workshops resided Aerodyne, a promising startup dedicated to crafting innovative unmanned aerial vehicles, that is UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles. Their flagship project, Zephyr, a long-endurance solar-powered drone designed for environmental monitoring and disaster relief, was nearing completion. One fateful evening, a sudden and intense thunderstorm blazed the city. The downpour, accompanied by ferocious winds, wreaked havoc across the region. At Aerodyne's workshop, the storm's fury proved too much. A raw gust, stronger than any anticipated, ripped through the hangar doors, sending a colossal metal sheet flying. This sheet, a remnant of previous project, crashed into the delicate frame of Zephyr's, shattering its solar panels and crippling the intricate flight control system. The damage was extensive. Weeks of meticulous work, countless hours of design, and a significant investment were suddenly reduced to a heap of mangled metal and shattered dreams. The team at Aerodyne was devastated. their hopes of showcasing G-Fire at an upcoming international drone competition, a crucial step in securing funding for mass production, less shattered. So fortunately, Aerodyne had the foresight to secure comprehensive engineering insurance coverage. Their policy specifically tailored for aviation manufacturers, including provision for accidental damage, fire, and natural disasters. So, armed with detailed documentation of the incidents, including photographs, weather reports, and experts' assessment of the damage, Aerodyne filed a claim with their insurance provider. The insurance company, recognizing the validity of the claim and the significant loss incurred by the startup, promptly initiated the assessment process. After a thorough investigation, the insurance company approved the claim. Aerodyne received a substantial compensation package covering the cost of repairs, replacement parts, and the loss of anticipated revenue due to a projected delay. So, this timely financial assistance proved to be a lifeline for Aerodyne, enabling them to rebuild Zephyr, recover from the setback, and continue their pursuit of innovation in the Indian aviation sector. So the incident, while devastating, also highlighted the importance of robust insurance coverage for business operating in high-risk sectors like aviation. That underscored the value of meticulous planning, risk assessment, and the crucial role of insurance in mitigating unforeseen losses and ensuring business continuity. This functional account serves as a reminder that even with the best of intentions and meticulous planning, unforeseen events can disrupt even the most promising ventures. However, with the right insurance safeguards in place, businesses can navigate such challenges, minimize their impact, and emerge stronger, ready to soar again. The aviation insurance in India is a crucial part of responsible aircraft ownership and operations. It's not just about ticking a box, it's about protecting your valuable investments and ensuring the safety of everyone involved. So while it might seem complicated at first, understanding the basics can make a big difference. From covering damages to the aircraft itself, to protecting against liability for injuries or damage to property. Aviation insurance offers a comprehensive safety net. As India's aviation industry continues to grow, having the right insurance in place is more important than ever. By understanding your needs and choosing the right policy, you can ensure a smoother, safer journey for your aircraft and your business, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Flying. You can learn more about aviation insurance when you take a policy, because aviation insurance is a specialized type of insurance that protects aircraft owners, operators, and related entities from financial losses due to accidents, damage, or liability. It is crucial for safeguarding investments and ensuring compliance with aviation regulations. Thank you very much.